Welcome to another tutorial brought to you by learnjoomla.org. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up a proper backup solution. Now backups are one of the most important parts of the site. It's the first thing I do whenever I install a new version of Joomla, to make sure I have my backups set up properly, so in case I ever get hacked, or if I ever want to move my site, or if I ever do something to break my site, I want to make sure that I have a good backup so that I can get it back working as quickly and as easily as possible. The one I like to use is called Akeeba Backup. You can get it by going to akeebabackup.com. This is definitely the best and the easiest way to do it that I've found. So we're going to go to downloads here. We're going to go down to Akeeba Backup, view releases. Down here to the latest stable version, view files, and then Akeeba Backup Core. This is the only file you need. You can get the quick start guide if you want, or the documentation, but for now we'll just download the core extension there. We'll go back to our site. Now Joomla's quite nice. It is very easy to install extensions, plugins, things like that. Basically all you need to do is go to extensions, extension manager, and then go to upload package file here, select choose file, and find the file we just downloaded, Akeeba. Open that, hit upload and install. And that's basically it. It's pretty much that easy, installing extensions. Alright, so now this will just tell us that the component was installed successfully, and has a little bit about Akeeba. If this is the first time installing this, you definitely should read this quick start guide, just to teach you how to use Akeeba itself, which I won't be going into in full detail in this video, but I will show you quickly how to back up using Akeeba. So once it's installed, Akeeba is a component, and you'll know that because one of the ways is in the package file. It starts with com, stands for component, so you can find it in the components menu here. You'll see Akeeba Backup. So if you select that, it will load up Akeeba Backup, and the first time you install it, and also when you do updates, it will want you to run a configuration wizard just to check how your server's running and try to get things set up properly. So we'll run that. This might take a little while, so alright, so once that's finished configuring, you'll be given the option to back up now. I won't select that just now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you'd usually do it. So usually you'll go to Components, Akeeba Backup, and you'll bring up the control panel here. This gives you control, or gives you access to all the features of Akeeba Backup, but the one you'll use most of the time is this one here, Backup Now. So to make a backup of your site, all you need to do is click it, and then you can add a note here if you want to, and hit backup, and it will go through and back up your site. Now I really like this backup solution because what it does is it takes your entire site, including the databases and all of your files, and it puts them into one single, it's called a JPA file, I believe, and basically what it is, it's like a zip, and it contains your entire site. So you can take that one file. You see now if I go to administer backup files, you'll see that there is one file, site Joomla, tutorial.learnjoomla.org, and then the date.jpa, and it is one file. So what I can do now is I can take that one file and I can load it up on another host, or if I want to refresh if I get hacked or if I break something in Joomla, I can just take that file and reload it, and my site will be completely restored to the point it was there.